¿Y cuándo empezaron sus sueños de ser cantantes?
언제부터 가수의 꿈을 가지게 되었나요?
Everyone understands English, right? English, okay? Okay. No, no. I think all of us wanted to be singers, when we were younger. And I think the reason why we became singers is, of course, to please you guys are fans. And I think, we're really blessed to have the chance to be singers. So we really enjoy it. You guys understand that? Comprende? Okay.